Hey, this is Keenan with VistaLeads.com, and today I'm going to be talking to you about how you can use your lead capture funnel that you're about to create on the VistaLeads platform to attract new customers through coupons. Now, coupons are definitely not a novel concept. Business owners have been giving out coupons to attract new customers for a long time. But one of the problems with the traditional method of giving out coupons is, let's say I'm your customer and I go into your business and I give you the coupon and I buy whatever it is you're selling me and I leave the store. Well, once I've left the store, you have no way to get back in touch with me. That is, unless you want to send another coupon, which obviously has some problems. For one, it's going to drastically shrink your profit margins, and that's a bad thing. Another problem is you are now tied in to that specific channel of advertising to reach out to me. So let's say the way that you communicate to me is through advertising through a magazine. Well, if I'm used to you communicating through that magazine and you now stop advertising with that magazine, that channel of communication disappears. So it's really important for you to find a way to get your customers' personal contact information, their email address or whatever it is, so you can keep in touch with them. It's a lot easier to get a customer who's already done business with you back in your store than it is to go out and find a new customer. And not only is it easier, it's a lot more affordable and a lot more profitable. So we're going to dive right in to VistaLeads. We're going to set up a lead capture funnel for a restaurant. Okay, so if you're on the homepage of our website, now this will probably change sometime, but the same basic menu structure is going to be up here. On the top right hand corner, there's going to be a login button. If you go ahead and click that login button, it's going to take you to the home page of the software platform where you can click try it out now if you're setting up for your first time, or of course you can go and log back in if you already have an account. One thing you're going to notice is that as you go throughout the VistaLeads platform is we've created a series of video tutorials to teach you how to use VistaLeads more effectively. So go ahead and use those as needed. So we'll close that out for now. Alright, so we're going to make a landing page for ABC Restaurant. We'll go and we'll find a logo here. Alright, this looks good. Alright, our address is 123 Fake Street. Say Salt Lake City, Utah. Alright, and we can do 555, 123, 4, 5, 6, 7. So all that I'm doing here is I'm just filling out the basic business information. And once I do that, VistaLeads is going to take this information and it's going to send it to a coupon, a web page, and an email campaign. And you'll see how all that ties together here in a minute. I'm going to do restaurant@vistaleads.com, and we'll say abcrestaurant.com. Alright, so that is the most difficult part of setting up your VistaLeads lead capture funnel. Now, on to the next step, and that is to build your lead magnet, or in this case, our coupon. So just for your information, if you don't want to send a coupon, you can go ahead and select this button down here, and then you're going to be able to attach your own file, whatever that is, an ebook, a digital download, or maybe you just want a plain email without a file to go out. That's how you do that. But for the sake of this example, we're going to set up a coupon. So you'll see here we have a bunch of different templates. All these have been professionally designed, so you don't have to worry about getting your own graphic designer. And you just have to find one that works best with your logo and kind of what you're looking for. There's a lot of cool different options here. Alright, so we will do this one. I like this one. Now, this is very simple. We've designed VistaLeads to imitate a lot of the software platforms you're already used to using. So you'll notice if you want to go and change text, you can go ahead and just do that by highlighting it, deleting it, typing whatever you want. So for this one, we're going to say buy one dessert and get one free. Alright, pretty typical offer. Buy one, get one free. If you want, you can go in, you can change this. This part right here might look a little different depending on what web browser you're using, but you can go ahead and Say we wanted to find kind of a fun teal color, we can do that. Alright, come try a bite of heaven on us. If you want, you can go in and you can change fonts. Find one that you think fits what you're looking for. Like I say, you can shrink this down, make it bigger. Alright. We want this to be for all customers, so we're going to delete that line. Now you can see here my phone number and my website are already on this coupon. Once again, what's going on here is Vista Leads is using that information field I filled out on the very first page, and it's just putting that onto every other step of the funnel. Okay, so once we're done with that, we can go ahead and go to the next page. Now this is where we are going to build our landing page. Now if you're not familiar with a landing page, it's just simply a one-page website that has one purpose: to give away that offer, or in this case, to give away that coupon, and to get a name and an email address in return. So this is all very basic. You can go and change the color just by dragging this around. You can upload the image you're looking for. Okay, so I found the image and I'm just going to go ahead and upload that. And there it is on the landing page. So now we can do, come try a bite of heaven. This is to die for. So one thing that you're going to notice is all throughout Vista Leads you're going to see this kind of placeholder text. Now we designed that text so if you can't really think of something better to say or whatever, that you can leave it as is and it will still work very well. But once again, anywhere you see text, you can go ahead and click on that, highlight it, delete it, type new stuff in, whatever it is. Alright, so I've gone here and I've completed that. Just in case you're interested in more of the advanced features, we do have some advanced options where you can insert a Facebook pixel. I won't get into that with this video, but this is how you do that. Or you can upload a Google Analytics tracking code to get a better feel for what's going on your landing page. But for all intents and purposes, we're done with that. Now, the third step is to create that initial email that the customer is going to receive right after opting in for the coupon or whatever other offer you're giving. And so once again, you can see there's already text here. Go ahead and change it. You can move stuff around, delete all of it, whatever you want to do. But just be aware that your coupon will go out with this first email. Alright, so we're done with the email. Now this is the very last step of the funnel. After this, everything's going to be set up, and I'm going to show you that in a second. Okay, it's done. So we'll go ahead and I'll show you what that looks like. Okay, here it is. So you can see our logos up here. You can see the text we have. Here's our image. We can go ahead and click this button here, send me my free cobbler. We can go ahead and type our email address and request that over, and I'll get that here momentarily. And there's a thank you page. Once I click this link, it will take me back to the ABC Restaurant homepage. Now, going back to our landing page, one thing that I want to share with you are these social sharing buttons right here. And these are really cool. Because if, let's say you share this landing page on Facebook, or you send it out to an email list of your current customers or someone else's customers or whatever, you can ask these people, hey, if you know anybody that would like this deal, go ahead and share it with them. And then they can click on, how they want to share that. So if they want to share it on Facebook, they can go and say, wow, this place is great, and you can see the picture pops up and everything, They can go ahead and post that to their own Facebook timeline. Really cool. One other thing I want to point out, if you go to this URL right here on your cell phone, you'll notice that this landing page is mobile friendly, and that just means it's going to look good on any device. So I can kind of shrink this window down real quick and show you what happens. Show you my messy desktop. So you can see the smaller the screen gets, this image and everything on it's changing to reflect that. Really cool. Okay, so let's go to our email inbox and open the email we just received. And you can see here, it says it's from ABC Restaurant right here at the top. You can see our logo. My first name has been automatically put in there by the Vista Lead software. Once again, another really cool feature that you don't have to worry about learning or dealing with what's called merger tags in a lot of platforms. Vista Leads does it all for you. Then you can go through, you can see our emails exactly as we typed it while setting this up. It attached our coupon there, our copyright information, all that good stuff's automatically on there. You don't have to worry about any of that. Now, one thing I want to point out is, let's say we no longer want to do this buy one, get one dessert free coupon. Let's say we want to do a half price entree. So just as easy as it was to set this up the first time, it's even easier to go back in and make the changes. Then once we're done making changes to the coupon, we can go over to our landing page. We could upload a new picture. We won't, but we could. We can change the colors again. We'll go ahead and do that. Find something that looks good here. Yeah, that looks good. We'll do that one. I can go to the email follow-up. Instead of buy one, get one dessert, you can say, here is your half price entree. I guess we should have a hyphen in there. Be grammatically correct to the extent possible. Say, alright, we'll go ahead and click Save Changes. Just like that, you'll notice that the color changed, and once again the wording didn't change because I didn't take the time to do that. But if I go and request the email once again on a different email account, you will see that I will now get the updated coupon. And there it is. You can see this purple color changed. Here's the new restaurant, or the new text for the email, and here's our new coupon. So just to wrap things up here, I just got done showing you a really easy way to attract new customers and to keep following up with those customers so they keep coming back to you using Vista Leads. Once again, my name's Keenan, and if you have any questions about anything that we covered today in the video, go ahead and send me a message through the website, and I'd love to get back to you and help you out.